Hi guys, I'm Silverwolf and this is a request for Isabella Bruce, who wanted to know what happens if you play loud music for your Furby all the time. Oh no, loud sound, that kind of thing. We have one shout out and that goes to Kido. So I've chosen a song here, I hope it's okay. It's from the YouTube audio library because those are the songs I play on my channel. I can't play copyright songs for obvious reasons. So I'm going to play this next to the Furby and see if he complains about the loud noise. Now, as I suspected, it's not actually doing anything. It's either not loud enough, which I doubt, but how Furby tends to react to loud noises is it's a sudden loud noise. If you play a constant loud noise for Furby, it either gets used to it or it just doesn't register it. So the other idea I had to try to make loud sounds around Furby was to clap my hands until he says, "Oh, loud sound," and then wait for him to shut up and then clap my hands again. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll see how he responds.
Where do be scared? Big sound do what? Dance what? Do 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 yo.
Okay, he's dancing.
Dance. Dance. Wah. Do, do, do. Da, da. Dance. Wah. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Yo. Dance.
So whether or not he was supposed to do this, he's just dancing now when I clap. For some reason. I thought he'd get frightened, but I've never tried this experiment before, but it seems to be that if you make loud noises around him, he thinks that it's music and dances to it. So there you have it. That's the mystery solved. He will dance. I suppose it makes sense really, because if you play music around them, I think they're meant to dance. I think I did a video some time ago where the Furbies were dancing. I'll try just sort of like.
He's done.
There we go. He's done. Let's try again.
Loud sound. Big sound do. Big sound. Wah, dance. Wah, do, do, do. Da, da. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Dance, dance.
So that confirms it. If you clap about 4 times,
Big fun.
he will dance, and that's
Done.
how you get him into dance mode. So if you ever want to get Furby into dance mode, clap 3 or 4 times and there you go, he's in dance mode. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this, yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. You can see more videos of what happens if Furbies are coming up in the boxes below, and also the general Furby playlist. It seems to be becoming quite a series now. And if you want to check out my Etsy and New Monday stores, feel free. I make custom plushies, including Furbies. Or if you want to buy me a coffee on Ko-fi, also feel free. The links are all in the description. And that's all for today. Stay safe, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. I think I've worn him out. And he's gone to sleep. This is Silverwolf signing off.